Hi, and welcome to my channel. Do you want to gossip about zodiac signs together? I promise you won't get bored here. When I decided to start this channel, it was because I didn't like the style and presentation of most astrology and zodiac channels I'd seen. I thought, why not make something better? Why not make learning fun while we laugh together? By subscribing today, you can support me and become one of the very first members of my little family. And that would make me so happy. In the coming days, I'll be releasing a longer video all about your zodiac sign, and I'm sure you'll have so much fun watching it. So I'd love for you to take your place in this channel right now, turn on the notifications, and join me on this journey. I know we're going to grow into a big family together. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end, and I wish you days as bright as the stars.